Excellent. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Welcome back. Yay. Felt like we had to work for it this morning. How's everyone doing?
Good.
Yeah? Yeah, spring is back. It's a glorious day. Glorious course on the way. You know, TIE 201, when I talk about, when I like to introduce this class, here's my real feeling about it. You know, in terms of numbers, we had a 101 and then this is the 201. But in terms of where this takes your practice, it's really an exponential leap. And why is that? Well, for the most part, it's because of the customization that we're going to learn here in this class. You know, in TIE 201, what we're doing is a few things. We are going to review everything that you did in the first class in detail. So it's not like we just go through it all in the morning and like pack something in and then just leave the rest for new material. What I like to do with this class is when we learn the Thai massage components, we'll go through old things, we'll fine tune and kind of correct where it's necessary, but also give you some new tweaks and new fun things that you can add into what you've already been doing with those older things, with the 101 stuff. Then, where it's appropriate, I'm going to add new postures to widen the scope and give you more goodies that you can play with. And on the Thai massage side, a big part of this class is adding using your knees to give a massage. And when you can, good. Because, you know, when you can use your knees to give a massage, first of all, it should never be a case anymore where if somebody wants more pressure, that you're trying to find ways to give more pressure, because, you know, with your knees you can really pack a punch. However, you can also be really as light as a feather with your knees, and it's to develop that whole range of sensitivity the same way you have with your fingers or with your thumbs or with your, you know, even with your, at this point, develop maybe with your forearm and with your elbows, so that, you know, what happens is, like, you know, because your body is just generally never massaged or done anything with your knees other than bend them and, you know, just use them more for those kinetic functions. Here, it's like when you, and, you know, I'll tell you honestly, for a lot of people, when you first start using them, it feels really awkward because, you know, you've gone your whole life without using them for something like this. But then once you get comfortable using them, a whole new layer and level of coordination sort of takes over, and the whole giving of the massage, even when you're using other parts of your body, feels lighter, feels easier. So it's really cool to learn how to massage with your knees, and we're going to do that for a whole bunch of parts of the body as well. Then what we're going to do also, all along the way, is introduce Ayurveda as a way to help us customize the massage. And why that is so exciting is because it's going to help us to understand people. You know, like what I'm all about, and we talked about it in the 101, is that at the core, the secret to, you know, giving a great massage and building a successful practice is building relationships. And that at the core of those relationships is communication. So the more you have in that tool belt, the better. And Ayurveda helps you to see each person even more as an individual. You know, I'm all about not treating the issue even, or the physical thing going on, but treating the whole. And the more we have that whole picture, the more we have that deeper insight into, you know, truly why are you here and how can I help you? How can I treat that physical thing, for example, going on in a way that really not only gets to what you want on that side, but, you know, kind of envelops it and puts it in a package that is so tailor-made for that person. And that is a big part of why we take this quantum leap. You know, and part of that is also getting into that subtle space with the massage. You know, we're going to look a little bit more into the energetic side too. So it's exciting. There's a lot of great ground that we're going to cover, and hopefully we'll even have time at the end to talk some business and to talk a little bit of marketing and see where you're at and give you some ideas on how to help build your clientele as well. So, in a nutshell, are you excited? Cool.